Welcome back to Taste Like Disney. I'm Joey. My producer and editor, Sophie, is sitting over the corner staring at me. She has a really weird look on her face right now for some reason. Like I said, she's my producer and editor. She's also my dog. So she likes to make fun of me when she edits these videos. So if you see any text going across the bottom or top of the screen, those come from Sophie taking jabs at me as she edits. But she does such a good job, I just let her do it. Okay, so today is exciting because we're going to make some food it's the NFL playoffs this weekend. Sadly, my team is not in it. Washington is my team. Sadly, they're not in it. They haven't been in it for a long time. I just hope they make it again sometime in my lifetime. It's almost getting out of hand. But anyway, that being said, we're going to make Gaston's Pint of Ale cheese bowl. So it's basically a cheese dip. You can serve it with bread. You can serve it in a bread bowl if you would like, or with crackers and veggie. I'm going to serve it with vegetables and crackers because that's what I like. So yeah, let's get right to it. This is a Gaston themed cheese bowl because he likes cheese so much. That's probably all he eats. Well, that and eggs, obviously, 5 dozen eggs. So yeah, let's get right to it. Let's make the Gaston's Pint of Ale cheese bowl. Okay, and Sophie wanted me to tell you before I forget that this recipe comes from Disney Villain's Devilishly Delicious Cookbook. That's easy for me to say. If you don't have this, I'll leave a link to where you can get it. And if you don't have it, you should buy it. As soon as you watch this video, there are a ton of great recipes in this book, all themed to the great Disney villains, like Gaston, which I'll be doing in a few minutes. All right, so I forgot to film myself once again tasting this. I brought it over to my brother's house to watch the games, and I was going to film us eating it. Completely forgot. We got so wrapped up in the contest, but I will tell you it was delicious, very cheesy. I did add some more milk to it to thin it out because it was very thick. So if it's too thick, just add some milk. Perfect. It was delicious. I like the different blends. It went well together. I'll actually give it a 7 out of 10. It was very, very good. But I would say it's probably not the best cheese dip I've ever had, but 7 out of 10 is perfect for game days, for any day, for a winter day, for a rainy day, freezing day. Hot day, I guess, if you're, I can't eat really hot stuff when it's hot outside, but some people can. So, yeah, well, what the heck? Any day of the year, this is perfect. So give it a try, 7 out of 10. Watch it this weekend when you're watching football or whatever you like to watch. Give it a try. Gaston, thank you for this. Gaston did a fantastic job coming up with this recipe. So yeah, there you have it. Very, very good. Well, that's our show for today. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did enjoy it, please subscribe. If you didn't enjoy it, you should also subscribe because you can make fun of me like Sophie does every day. She's doing it as we speak. You can also hit the like button. That really helps me out, but more importantly, it helps Sophie out. You can leave a comment if there's anything you'd like to see me make or do. I can attempt to do that, keyword being attempt. You can also hit the notification bell to know when I have new videos. It's usually 1 per week, sometimes 2. So yeah, do that and you'll know exactly when they pop up. And if you ever try something that you love and you're not sure why, chances are it tastes like Disney. Thanks for watching.